The day you start treating him like he's important to you, you'll be amazed. You'll discover how important you are to God. So you live with his ability. Then his wisdom will be made available to you. Everything he is becomes available to you. That seems so big that our minds cannot comprehend it. First time I gave myself to meditating on it, I would deliberately give attention to it. You see, meditation is something you got to give attention to. It doesn't just happen whenever, it comes. It's not about it comes. You have to plan it. You have to plan your meditation. You'll be surprised. You'll be amazed at the attention he will give you.